From static web pages to interactive platforms and now decentralized networks, the internet has come a long way. But what exactly is the Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0? Let's break it down. Web 1.0 was the first iteration of the internet. Think of it as the read-only web. Websites were basic, static, and one-way. Users could only consume information. There was no interaction or user-generated content. It was like a digital library, useful, but not very engaging. Enter Web 1.0, the era of interaction and user-generated content. This is the web we know today, where everyone can create, share, and connect. Web 2.0 brought us social media, blogs, and e-commerce, but it also centralized power in the hands of a few big tech companies, raising concerns about privacy and data ownership. Now we're stepping into Web 3, the decentralized web. Powered by blockchain technology, Web 3.0 aims to give control back to users. In Web 3.0, you own your data, and transactions are transparent and secure. It's still in its early stages, but it promises a more open and equitable internet. Web 3.0 is still unfolding, and its full potential is yet to be realized. With advancements in AI, virtual reality, and blockchain, the future of the internet looks immersive. 1.0, 2.0, or 3.0, the internet continues to shape our world in ways we never imagined. So, what's next for the web? The possibilities are endless. Stay curious, stay connected, and let's build the future together.